All right, now the next thing we have for today is save $1 tip and save $1. Okay. And in doing that, I'm going to suggest that each and every one of you go out and buy a toaster oven. Yeah. So a toaster oven, you guys, just basically a little tiny small electric oven, but it has a very small volume that it has to heat up. If you're looking to just heat up a pizza, or cook a piece of garlic bread or something like that, and you got a big old oven that you're going to heat up, it takes a lot of energy, where if you just had a toaster oven, you can do that in a short period of time using a lot less energy, and it just takes up a little bit of space on your countertop. You might find that you actually use a toaster oven a heck of a lot more than you would use your large oven. Not only does it heat up faster, but it also will broil faster and all that kind of stuff because it's closer to the item that you're cooking.
Sure.
Yeah. And toaster ovens these days, $40. Not very expensive.
I've got 2 in my basement right now.
Yes. Why are they in your basement? It should be on your counter.
Well, it's just because I'm impatient about a lot of things, and cooking. Like I stand in front of the microwave and do the, come on, hurry up. Let's go.
Yeah. My mother and father-in-law, when they would go camping, they had a toaster oven. That's how they cooked their pizza, and that was their oven because the camper didn't have an oven. So, toaster oven, not very expensive, cheaper to operate than running your big oven and stuff like that. Also, if you have holidays or anything like that, somebody brings over some rolls you want to heat up, just a real quick way to do it, and don't have to stop cooking. Don't have to stop cooking the turkey. So, what about an air fryer?
Yeah, air fryers
are good.
Yeah, we have one.
Yeah,
I think it's great, and I think the funny thing about air fryers is that we always get new things that you can put in it that you can cook.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
like for a while it was just like French fries.
Oh,
right?
It's great for French fries though.
Yeah.
One of my guys got these Arby fries, these curly fries.
Oh,
they
yeah.
tasted like Arby's fries.
They do.
That was so good. Yeah. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, you guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to know when we put out the next one, give me a bell notification. It's a little bell on the bottom right-hand side. And subscribe. You want to know when I'm coming out with new stuff or whatever. You want to be able to check us out and be alerted to new video content coming your way. Subscribe button's really the way to go. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. Remember, the better you take care of your house, better it's going to take care of you. Have a good one.